see if it's this here. Oh, there's a piece of metal there. I would say rebar, but the only problem is it has this at the end. So this is a mystery piece here. That there. Oh, what's this? Oh no. Could be I don't know. I don't know what this is. So, all right, add to the pile there. This looks like an ink jar or something. Except for the, usually has like a plastic or rubber cap on it. It has no writing on it or anything. There's mud inside, so it's right over there. Yeah. It's always good to get stuff like this out of the water. This fishing line has a fishing lure on it. I have my magnet with me, just in case I come across a piece of metal I have to get out. Look at that one. Getting caught on this stuff. So, all right, moving right along. This looks like one of those fish baskets or something. The one I was talking about when I was over at the first area. This is what I was talking about. I don't know how it works. Like I said, I'm not a fisherman, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll make my way out of here and then head to the last location. So I'll see you guys there. Oh, look what we got here. It's one of those goes to a fence. I think they run a cable through here. It goes on top of a fence post. So, okay. Oh, I got something on there. Oh, piece of cable. All right, I'm gonna get this cleaned up. This is gonna be it.